Hi YouTubers, it's Strebito tool for your cell phones or other apps. Nice exciting toolkit here, but the issue is magnetism. And this is the information you get right here. You can see what you get and precision, and here's some information right there. Might want to hold that, and magnetic and demagnetizer right there in the middle. So tool usage. Interesting, but not very interesting, as you read this from Amazon here on the magnetic design. Kind of skimpy. That's what it looks like. But this is what it really looks like. You flip this open right here. That's not bad. Interesting, a little brush there. Suction kit. And that would be really good. And then these tools, that's an awful lot. Look at that for the money. But you'd have to magnetize it. So how do you do that? Well, let's see. Let's pull this thing up here. Pulls all up in a nice little pouch. And over here on the computer, you see how Amazon sells it like that. That's what it looks like. $24. That's a pretty good deal. But it's not magnetized, and all your screws are going to fall off. So let's see what my friend sells right here. It says, hi Dave. Yeah, those never work right. You need a heavy coil with no core, like a solenoid from a washing machine valve. A resistor about 80 ohms wire round, and a push button in series. So there are different techniques for doing this. And as you can read that there, that's how you do that. So get back over here, and there it is. But this is the magnetic tool, and open this back. It's right here, and they want you to put this tools in there. Not too hot. Anyway, let's check out the magnetism right now on something. Well, check it out on itself. Doesn't do anything. There's some other ones in here that might do something, but nothing. Well, it's my opinion, it's junk.